basically renovating time. This is just classic, like you go to do one thing and then it ends up escalating heaps, and here we are, like full swing. I've literally got like 2 minutes before Jordan's gonna notice that I'm missing, and you have to excuse my voice because I'm snuffly and I sound like a bat or something. We went to Bunnings to replace our toilets because they've been in here forever and they had like that super gross brown stuff at the bottom of the toilet which you can't get off. When Jordan ripped up the old toilet, he realized that it looked like there was no cement sheeting underneath. It was just straight onto timber under the toilet, but turns out there was cement sheeting. But by that point, Jordan had already cracked some. So we're like, stuff it, it's a tiny little bathroom, let's just retile the floors. So Jordan is now upstairs. He is currently getting the tiles up. I'm taking loads down to the trailer of the smashed up tiles. I just said to Jordan, like, being pregnant, as long as I have a toilet that I can use in the night time, I'm happy. So fingers crossed. To our ensuite. So we are going to relay the tiles where they were, rip this vanity out and replace the vanity with a nicer looking one, and then tile a splashback around here. New toilet, new tapware, new toilet roll holder, new towel rail, fresh coat of paint. Okay. So vanity is out. It's covering up the stinkiness. We've got some tiles here, which are like a beigey colour. Tapware, basin, vanity, toilet, splashback tile, which is under here. And hopefully it all comes together. Floor tiles are mainly done. All the skirting's to go in where the skirting was previously, and the vanity will go in there. Multi-purpose shower. Can poop while you wash. We found these and I didn't love them, but I thought it might look alright. We got it in the bathroom and we're like, it really doesn't look that good. So then I went to a tile shop where I should get tiles from, and they had these ready to go in stock. Just be laid exactly like this. What do you think? Give me a sexy look and I'll do slow-mo on it. We can even, like, I think it's fine as it is, but I was thinking we could potentially put like a timber trim around that as well.
The only problem is now that it's tiled, that timber frame will go out further, or do you just been in line with it?
I just been like shrink it down so it's like covering that ledge. Yeah, because it's a little bit in that corner over there, it's a little bit chipped. And the top.
You just do it, but then there's no gap there that I'll figure out.
In an ideal world, you'd get like another bit of glass mirror just to go in there.
Yeah.
I don't think it's worth it. These are actually really expensive to try and get toilet roll holders. Brushed nickel is what I want to match the rest of the bathroom. I'm not going gold in this house anymore because it's just no point for a rental.
Oh, that's brushed nickel, isn't it? The tap?
Yeah. And I'll do the same. I thought it would be quite easy, but it's actually not easy to find. Story of my life. We're leaving the fans and the light. Just gonna clean them. Jordan's gonna work his magic on patching all of the plaster. And then the toilet can go out of the shower. And then we'll tile in the shower.
And put a niche in.
Yes, because you're the niche master.
But not a foot niche.
No, not a foot niche, as much as my pregnant belly would like that. Grout is in. It's had a mop. And needs another mop. Splashback is done and grouted, just needs siliconing. We've got these timbered door cabinet handles. This obviously still needs adjusting, but yeah, they're meant to be the same wood as this, but this hasn't been coated yet, so hopefully it matches, otherwise I'm just gonna come up with a new plan. This is it so far. Still not too much has happened, but it's just nice to have all the grouting in.